Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Godswill. Today I have an exciting news for all airdrop lovers. So if you're an airdrop lover and you know you don't joke with airdrop, please come closer, pay attention to what I'm about to share with you. I want you to stay to the very end in order for you not to miss anything in this video. Alright, so Berachain just launched BeraSig, the first ever gamified wallet designed to serve as a mobile portal to Berachain. Now, this particular airdrop is worth up to $5,000 per one wallet. All right. So look at what the Berachain is giving. Here you can see Bera bee catchers is now live. So a total of $1 million sugar will be distributed in season 1. So that means if there is season 1, there will be season 2. So let's watch out. For you to get to this point, all you need to do is click on the link that is attached to this video. It's going to bring you straight to the registration point where you're going to create your account. So after creating your account, the next phase will be this point. So from this point, the next thing you need to do, you're going to click on catch B, which is this. Okay, so click on this link. So once you click, you allow it to load up for you. So after it opens, this is the interface you will be seeing. So I want you to pay attention to this. This is the very first thing I want you to do once you get into this app. Click on this place, the profile. Once you click on it, it opens up. The next thing you need to do is go to your passphrase. Go and write it down correctly. Don't do any mistake. All right. So click on this view. It will open up. Then you copy it and save it in a very safe place. The reason for this is just in case you are logged out or you're locked out of this account, you can be able to use it to come back again, to continue claiming your bid. Okay, so I want to quickly walk us through around this account so that you can know how this whole thing is and in order for you to take advantage of them. All right, so the first thing you need to do right now is when you go to the assets. Okay, let's start from the assets from the lower left side. So the very first thing you need to notice here is on this place you'll be seeing the total B that your B is getting for you. All right, now you will see this tokens, you will see NFT, and you will see faucets. So I want you to pay attention to faucets. Okay, so faucets is where you need to recharge. You need to recharge this. Just like a gas fee when you want to send out a token or a coin. So you actually need a gas fee. So this faucet will provide that gas fee for you. So when you make a request, so let me just request so you can see. So when you make a request, it comes up like this. Then you click faucet. So for me, I've actually requested. So it's telling me in the next 6 hours, 31 minutes, I'll have access to requesting again. So if you haven't requested before, it will just tell you maybe you're in queue like 2 minutes or so, you get it. Then when it drops, you will see it here. It will come here for you. Okay, so that is so this is so the next place I will be showing you is under N. So when you click on N, so this is what the interface of N look like. So at the very top right here, this is the balance. This is my current balance at the moment. So this is the B that is currently in progress, which I'm collecting. All right, so I will explain this particular section for you. So this place, especially this place, all right, so this is where you use in moving levels and also increasing your capacity, that is your storage capacity. Okay, so this is where you do that. So let's click on the very first one. So once you click on that first one, it opens up. So this particular first one will help with your catching speed. Okay, so that is what this one will do. So for you to upgrade, I think for the very first level, you're going to have think about 5. You need about 5B to upgrade. So for you to do that, make sure you have up to 5B here before you click on this upgrade button. If you don't have up to 5B, please don't click, because if you click, your B will just go. So make sure you have up to 5B here. So once you have 5B, all you need to do next is you drag this to the end. Once you drag it to the end, you see this upgrade will be enabled. You can see it's not enabled for me. So you should be enabled. Once it's enabled, you click on it, then it upgrades you. So for me at the moment, I'm actually on level 3, which is this. I'm going to level 4. Okay, so at this level where I am, I'm earning 1.25B per hour. That is what I'm earning. So bear in mind, please note, this program is not going to last for long. I think we'll have less than 20 days to go. So do everything you can to make sure you are getting all the necessary B you need to get. Okay, so let's go back. So the second one, which is this one, second one, all right. So when you click on it, it opens up for you. Once it's open, so this particular one help to enlarge your storage. So once you upgrade it, you're actually increasing your storage. So the same thing is applicable. I think your very first storage is going to be about 5B. That's what you need to upgrade. So once you do that, once you drag it to the very end, you click on this upgrade. Make sure you have 5B, like I said earlier here, before you do that. Then after that, you move to the next level, which is about 10B. So the level where I am now, I need about 60B for me to move to level 4. Okay, so this is just how these things work. All right, so and I want you to make sure you keep collecting your B. Don't leave it, because when you leave it, there are people who need it more than you. They will come and collect it from you. Okay. So the next interface which I'll be showing you is the quest. Okay, so this particular place, there are some assignments that you need to do both daily and everything. So when you come to quest, you will see some things you need to do. Just make sure this task, you do them, you claim them. So once you claim them, your bees will be, you can find your bees here, the total bees that you get from the quest. You see there. So come here every day. You will see assignments, or you see something to collect or something you need to do. Make sure you come here every day. So this last place, this is where you can refer your friends. So once you click on it, all right. So once you click on it, you're going to see this option to refer friends. Copy your referral link, then send it out to your friends. Okay. So there's something I noticed. Okay. So these things, they have all the bonuses are in different places. So I believe at the end of the day, they will collect everything together. So these bees are here, all right. And then this other one, this is about 1.3 that I have here. Then when you go to the quest, the one in the quest is also there. So I believe at the end of the day, they will merge all the whole thing together, right? So finally, I want to quickly show us how we can be able to um, make withdrawals. All right, so because this is very important. Sorry, how we can be able to claim, not make withdrawal. This is how we can be able to claim our Bs. Okay, so once you are here, once this is enabled for you, right, so you can actually claim. So for me, I can actually claim right now. So I want you to take note of this. This is the balance here, and this is what I want to claim. So once I click on claim, all right, this option comes up. This is the next interface that will come up. All right, so it's going to ask me to pay with Bera. So remember I showed you earlier about Bera, where you can request your Bera. Let me show you again. So this is under assets. So remember this place, what I showed you here. So once you click on this, you'll be able to get Bera, which you can use in claiming. All right, so let's go back to claim. So from here now, let me click on the first one. So if you click on the first one, just like this, so you see it's showing me for insufficient Bera. So I don't have Bera, but there's an option, so I can actually pay with B. Okay, so all I need to do is I'll click on the second option. So if you click on the first one, it didn't go for you, just click on the second one. So I'll click on the second one, then click on confirm. All right, so once I click on confirm, just watch. So it shows claim B successful. Okay, so we've actually claimed this successfully. So you can see what I was showing you earlier. The balance here have actually increased. Okay, so make sure you take this thing very serious. It's going to end very soon. As you're getting, make sure you enlarge your cost in order for you to have more B. So I want you to bear in mind, don't forget that the primary purpose of this whole game is to catch B. So you can see on my screen, B is just flying on around. Let me try to catch it. Okay, that one disappeared. So let me see if I can catch another one, so you can see how exactly it's work. But the truth is, we can't stay here all day long, and that is why we need to keep upgrading our storage. So here is another B. Here's another B. This one. Okay. Yeah, I caught this. So this is it. This is what I was able to get from this particular one. So this is just how the catching of B works. So you can actually do this all day long and catch as much as you can. So you can actually still play around, go to this place, go to the leaderboard, go and check and see who is topping the lead and who is topping the chart. So here is it. So once you click here, it brings you to this place. So you can see the person topping the chart here has about 419B, just like that, the very first person. So you would actually see yourself. I think at the moment I'm sitting down at 65,000. number 65,000. So it's still very far. So I still have a lot of work to do. So for the guys catching B, so you can see the top number one guy in B catching is sitting down at 356. So and there are those that are also stealers. All right. So if you leave your B without collecting, they'll steal it. All right. So this guy, I think this number one guy is very good at stealing. So he has about 769 B. Okay. So let me just show us a little bit trick on how we can be able to, take from those who are not really. So you can actually wake up to see things like this. Oh, they'll say, hello, hello, your big packet has been stolen. So I woke up this morning, I saw that, oh, they've attacked me like 3 times, they've stolen from me. So it's actually a game. This part of the thing that makes it to be fun. So you can see how many times have they stolen from me since I started, like 6 times they've stolen from me. So this is part of the game. It makes it to be fun, and it also makes you to be more serious and more aware of what you're doing. I think I really love this part of the game. It's quite interesting. So it makes you to be at alert. In order for you not to allow your bees to be stolen, you need to keep, claiming it. All right. So
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.